If you're looking for the best RGB strip and rope lights for a room that give off bright colors at an affordable price, then you should take a look at the MFWW Neon RGB strip lights. Hey, Wild here. Welcome to my channel where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. These amazing RGB LED light strips are very bright. The upgraded LED light side design makes these LED light strips brighter and more uniformly illuminated than ordinary LED strips, giving it a very strong brightness and ambient glow, which is just one of my favorite things about them. They are also able to sync to music, which works best when you have them close to the source. But I mostly just leave it on one color with the remote, which does work really well. There also is an app, but again, I just use the remote because it works so well. And yes, it can also do a wide range of colors. You can dim the brightness up and down, and it has many different effects on the RGB strip. These lights are perfect for indoor or outdoor use with an IP67 waterproof rating. Plus, they're easy to install and operate. You can cut it to the length that you need, and you just use the clips that it comes with to install whatever shape and design you want to. Oh yeah, that's another cool thing about these lights is they're super flexible. You can put them into any shape or design that you want on your wall. Or if you just want to constantly wrap it around an object, it's easy to do and it won't affect the quality of the light or damage the light. Now, one of the things that you should be aware of is these lights do not have an adhesive backing. You will have to use the mounting clips or any other mounting option if you want to apply it to your wall or any other surface. I'm currently using these lights to give off an awesome color glow underneath my kitchen cabinets, and I also use it on some of my artworks, and I'm thinking of adding a little bit of glow to some of my furniture. These RGB neon strip lights will run you about $12 to $15 for 16 feet, which is an awesome price point. They also come in many different sizes, going all the way up to 100 feet, which I have used at my art shows. Now, there is better out there like the Govee RGB lights, but those are like 2 to 4 times the price. And I would only go that route if you do need the app to operate them. Because if you don't, these are gonna pretty much get you the same exact appearance, look, and style. Now, if you wanna get these awesome lights, you can do me a huge favor and use the link in the video description below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next 1UP review. Take care, and as always, peace.